specify the column name ENO. Data type is number of 2 max I'm taking. Anything you can take, no problem. And employee name, let's say varchar 2 of 20. Next salary is some number of 7, 2. So next one is designation of the employee, some varchar 2 of 30. Next join date is date type of data. After specifying the all columns definitions, close the parenthesis and use semicolon. So let me create it. Just copying. Let me open Oracle. Go to Start, Programs, Oracle, Application Development, SQL Plus. Right? Yeah, here I am specifying some. I have created a new name, Dinesh, identified with welcome @ORCL. Yes, it is connected. What is CL space SCR command to clear the screen? Okay, that's clear. Now I am executing the command, Control V. Okay, so enter. So here it is showing EMP table name is already existed. Already we are having a rule. Already existed names are not allowed as Oracle names. So just change the name of the table. Here I am changing the name of the table as EMP_details. Okay. Modify the query, save it, and exit from the notepad and execute the query. Your table was created. So only we have created the structure of the table. Structure of the table in the sense table name, column names, data types, sizes. But there is no data within the table. Yeah, how to enter the data into the table? Yes, let me go through this. How to enter the data into the table. Yeah. So next command is DML command. What is the command to enter the data? Insert. What is the use? Use to insert the records or new records into the specified table. Okay, what is the syntax of this? Insert into table name space and use the keyboard values within the parenthesis. Specify the values. Value 1, comma, value 2, comma, and so on. Okay. Here you can also specify column names here. After table name, specify column name, column 1, comma, column 2, comma, and so on. Yeah. So if a table contains n number of columns, you have to insert n number of values. Okay. What is the example for this? Insert into, what is the table name? EMP_details. Values. So what are the values? Yeah, see, you may specify the column names after the table or may not specify the column names after the table. Okay, why it is, I will just a moment, I will tell you. So okay, I am inserting a new record into the table, employee details. What are the employee details here? Employee number 1, comma, employee name, some Dinesh, and employee salary 43,000, and employee designation developer, Yeah, put it in single quotes. Yums completed. Next, employee joining date is 11th of again single quotes, 11th of John 2009. Okay, close the parenthesis, use semicolon. Right? Yeah. See how many number of column names you are having here? 5. How many number of values you are supplying? 5. In that case, it is not necessary to specify the column names of the table name. Okay. Yes, you have to know. Okay. And one more information is here 1, it is not inserted within single quotes. 43,000 is also not inserted within single quotes. Remaining values must be inserted within single quotes. Means character type of data as well as date type of data should be inserted within single quotes. Yeah. What are the points we are having is it is not necessary to specify column names. Column names in the insert command if we are inserting n number of values. Okay, means column names and the values are equal. Second point is both character and date type of data values must be enclosed in single quotes. Okay, and it is mandatory to specify column names if you are supplying less than n values. Yes, suppose employee information, you know employee name and his salary. You don't know the employee ID, employee designation and employee joining date. So you are entering two values. Actually table contains 5 columns. Okay, so into which columns you are entering those two values, you have to specify like that. Okay, yeah. So it is it is mandatory to specify column names if we are inserting the values less than the number of columns. Okay, these 3 points we have to remember. Okay, let us try to insert this record. Copy and paste. I am inserting one row created. Again I am getting a call. Just a moment, Sri. Okay, here we have created one row. Okay, that's fine. Suppose I am inserting the next record. Here 2 and Madhu and he is getting 33,000, working as a developer, joining date is same. You can also specify column names, no problem. Previously we have not specified the column names. Now I am specifying the column names: ENO, ename, sal, designation, JDate. Yeah. Okay. In this way also you can insert the records. Okay. Use slash one row created. Suppose third employee is there. His name is Vijay. I know Vijay and his salary 20,000, but I don't know the remaining information. Okay. Yeah. See, in that case, let us see. I am specifying the column names, but I know his name. What is his name is Vijay, and his salary is 20,000, and I don't know the remaining information of Vijay. Then what is the problem? See, what it is displaying? Not enough values. Actually 5 columns are there, but you are inserting only 2 values. Yeah, I am modifying the query again. See, just remove the column names. Okay, then still it will display the error message. Yes, 5 column names. So again modify it. So specify the column names into which columns you are entering the specified values. Ename comma sal. First value must be inserted into ename column. Second value is inserted into salary column. Now it is okay. One row created. Got it? Okay. Let me create another record. I know employee number, comma, employee name, and his designation, but I don't know the remaining information. Employee number is 4, comma, employee name is okay, Roy, and employee salary is 32,000. Yeah, so that I don't know the remaining information. Save it, exit, and execute. You have created 4 records totally. Yeah, see how. Okay, I have created a table and I have inserted the data into the table. And how can I see the data in the table? Yes, by using select. Select star from EMP details. Okay, let me set the size. Set line size 150. Select star from EMP details. Yeah, this is the data. So totally 4 employees are there. For the third employee, I don't know what is the employee number, and I don't know designation and J date. For the fourth employee, I don't know his okay. Unfortunately, into designation, I have entered the salary here. Okay, okay, no problem. I don't know his designation, and I don't know his J date. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't throw any error. Why? Because these are also valid character set values. What you are having valid character set is there, am I right? So yes, 0 to 9. So as a character data type, it supports the digits also. But these digits are considered as a string of characters. Okay. Okay, then what about the remaining values? What is the value at this place? And what is the value at the designation place of third employee and JDate place of third employee? So blank values, it is generally, it is look like a blank value, but internally, yeah, internally Oracle Engine maintains null values at those places. Null values, yeah. So let me go through what is a null value. Values. So a null value in the sense we don't know the information, so we miss that value. Am I right? Yeah. So a missed value is considered as a null value. Null value by Oracle Engine. The important points of null values are: a null value is not equal to another null value. Is not equal to another null value. Okay. And null value is not equal to 0 or space. Is not equal to 0 or space. And null values are independent of data type. Values are independent of data type. What is meant by independent of data type means here we are having different types of columns are there. Number type of column, some character type of column, date type of column. So in any data type column, null value may be existed. Yes, data type. That's why null values are independent of data type. Right. Okay. So whenever you have a record, every time you have to use insert command to insert it into the table. Without writing insert command again and again, how can I insert the records, multiple records, by using single insert command? Okay. Inserting multiple records by using single insert command. So here we have to use the symbol ampersand. Okay, how it is? Yeah, see, insert into here table name and the keyword values within the parenthesis ampersand of column 1 comma ampersand of column 2 comma and so on. So here ampersand is known as a substitution operator. At the place of column 1, it will substitute the specified value. At the place of column 2, it will substitute the given second value. So it is known as a substitution operator. Operator. Okay. So how it is? Let me write the records here. Just I am writing insert into emp underscore details values. What are the values we are having? Ampersand of ENO, comma, single quotes, ampersand of ename, comma, ampersand of salary, comma, single quotes, ampersand of DESG, single quotes close, comma, and single quotes ampersand of JDate, single quotes close. Okay. Yes. See, insert into so and so. Press enter. It will prompt you enter the value for ENO 5. and enter the value for e-name, Kiran. Enter the value for salary, 12,000. Value for designation, test engineer. J date is 12th of December 2011. See here. This is the old command you have executed. Am I right? Yes. So old at the means at that time I have no values. Am I right? After substituting the values, what are the place values of those columns? Into ENO you have entered 5. Into e-name you have entered Kiran. Into salary you have entered 12,000. These values can be substituted for the corresponding columns. That's why we can call ampersand symbol is known as a substitution operator. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now again, no need to type the insert command again. Just use slash to execute the command above. To execute the previous command again, just use slash. Enter. Again, it is prompting you. Then employee number 6. Employee name Vijay. Employee salary 11,000. Employee designation some manager. And employee joining date 15th of July 2010. So only one time we are using the insert command, and we are inserting multiple records. Okay, so if you want it, then use again employee number 7, employee name Joy, and employee salary 10,000, and employee designation admin, and employee joining date 10th of October of 2011. Another row created. Got it? Yeah. So this is the way of inserting records. Now, okay, I have inserted the records. Then how should I display the values from the table? So yeah, next command is select. What is the use? Use it to select the required data from the specified table. So what is the syntax of select? Select, you have to specify column 1, comma, column 2, comma, column n. Instead of specifying all columns, you can also use star and use from keyword and specify the table names. Table name, and you can here I'm specifying the complete syntax of select, conditions, and group by, column name, that is column 1, comma, column 2, and so on, having condition. Okay, this is the complete syntax of select. What is the simple form of select is up to here. Yeah. Form of select command. This is the simple form of select command. Okay. What is the example? Just simple. After select keyword, specify the required column names. Okay. After from keyword, specify the required table names. Just remember like that. Now, I want to display all employee names from the table EMP details. Display all employee names. from the table emp underscore details. Say select. After select, what is the thing we have to specify? Yeah, which column containing the employee names? Yes, e name. After from, what is the thing we have to specify? Yeah, what is the table name? Yes, details. Completed. So here it will display all employee names. Okay. Yeah. Just a moment. Okay. Now next example. So here you are displaying only single column data, right? Now display employee salary and joining dates. Salaries and join dates. Okay, join dates enough. So select sal comma j date from table name. Right. Okay. Next. Display all the data from the table. First we have seen the example, display single column data, next display multiple column data, next display all the data. Display the details of employees. How? Simply select, specify all column names or specify star from the table name. Okay. Right. Okay. This is the data. Okay. Okay. And this is the way of displaying the data from the table simply. And how can I, what is order by class? After completing order by class, we will go for some other thing. What is order by class? So here, whatever the data is there in the table is not in a specific order. Specific order means salary is 43,000, later 11,000, 10,000. I want to display all salaries in an order. Display all salaries in an order in the sense lowest value to highest value or highest value to lowest value, and yes, sorting order or otherwise alphabetical order of employee names. Okay, so how should I display the data like that? By using order by class. Use it to display the required data in alphabetical vertical or reverse alphabetical vertical or ascending or descending order. Okay, If it is numeric data, it will display it descending or ascending order. If it is character data, it will display alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order. What is the syntax of this? Select column 1, comma, column 2, comma, and so on from table name, order by column 1, comma, column 2, so on. And at last you can use either ASC or DESC. By default it will display ascending order data. By default it will display alphabetical order data. By default it will display ascending or alphabetical ordered data. Ordered data. So there is no need to specify ASC. Without specifying ASC also you can get the alphabetical order data. Yeah. Display all salaries in ascending order. Yeah. Select. I want to set display salaries, so specify salary column from the table emp underscore details. So order by salary column, right? So go and execute it. See here, our actual salaries are 43, 33, 20, 12, like that. But it is displaying 10,000, next highest, next highest, next highest, next highest, next highest. Okay, got it? Okay, and yeah. Yes, one value is missing here, am I right? So null value is having the least priority in order by class. Okay, that's why it is displaying like that. Okay, next one, I want to display all salaries in reverse order. Select sal from emp details, order by sal only, but DESC in reverse order I want to see them. Sorry. Okay. Reverse of the previous output. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Display all salaries in ascending order, and here display all salaries in descending order. Display all salaries okay, so we can see the remaining examples tomorrow, right? Yeah. And here I am sending the recorded files to you. Okay.